Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix Frameo digital frame not working. So, if you want to fix your Frameo digital frame here, well, there are a few troubleshooting steps here that you may want to do. So first is you want to lightly tap anywhere in the middle of the frame screen here. So this should open up the settings menu. Now if nothing happens, make sure the screen is on and the device is actually powered. Now once you're in the settings, you want to look at the notification section. Sometimes the frame will notify you if there's like any issues like low storage or problems with receiving photos. You can also manage sounds or alerts here, so like turning off the beep sound when someone sends a new photo. Now, if the frame is acting slow or not showing all photos, it might be because the storage is full. Go to the backup and restore option in settings, and here you can back up your current photos to the cloud and make space for new ones. This can help get things running smoothly again. Now, still having some problems here, tap on the help section within the settings menu here. Frameo has built-in support articles that you can also reach out to their support team directly from there if you need extra help. Now, if the frame still isn't working and you believe it might be defective, check the privacy policy or support section for warranty details, so you may be eligible for a refund or replacement depending on the issue and how long you've had the device. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.